Hi, you may not recognize me in my civvies. It's Sunday. I'm not working today. Visiting family, in fact. We're doing the annual bean plant here. And I thought I'd show you because it's an awesome design. It works really, really well. We've got 12 tent stakes here from the dollar store. The T kind is very, very solid. So we'll get to those in a second. But for now, we'll just show you last year's beans. If you have the land, you'd be a fool not to plant beans because this entire area will fill up with beans and you'll have tons. If you're buying brand new beans, make sure that you select a variety, not just by the flavor and the shape and the color, but also by the picking time, so that you don't get a tsunami of beans all at the same time and don't know what to do with them. This is last year's beans that were saved outside in the carport. Unfortunately, this container of beans, which you can see here, was left open, and all the beans are full of holes from bugs that have gotten into them. Fortunately, this Ziploc of beans, very healthy. Okay, so we're gonna plant them. We only need 36, so we got plenty. I'm dropping a couple. We'll get beans all over the place. Okay, here we go. So we have 12 tent poles, tent stakes, and a rock. We use whatever we've got. We're gonna make a evenly spaced circle around our beanpole here. And I believe, I'm not sure about this, but I believe that if you hammer in the tent stake straight in, it'll be stronger and won't get ripped up than if you go in on an angle. I think on an angle it tends to get ripped out of the ground, but straight in it'll be quite strong. So you take one on the, in this case, west perimeter, another one on the north perimeter, same distance from the pole. East perimeter. And then south, approximately here. Then you're going to tap in two more, equally spaced, between each of the perimeters to create a circle with enough space for the beans to grow up and not be too crowded. Got your stakes all pounded in, 12 of them in this case, then have something really secure at the top of your beanpole. Last year I did a double loop of this nylon wire, rope, and it broke halfway through the summer when the thing was like totally full of beans and collapsed. So expect a lot of weight on this, and make sure that your connection points are super strong. So in this case, I've actually taken the handle of the scrub brush, broken the scrub brush off, jammed it in the top of the pole, and it's got its own loop. So we'll just make sure that the loop is really well tied off. Oh, our beanpole's a little bit loose. Then we take the cable all the way down to our tent pole and tie it off. Now the only other thing you need to do is dig a hole in front of the cable, not behind, because when the bean comes out of the ground, it's going to want to jump onto the cable. So we take our bag of beans, whoops, let's not spill those, put 3 in the ground, cover them up, walk away. Alright, and we'll take a couple more videos as this thing grows up, and you'll see the results. Till next time.